Let me show you some secret codes that we can use on the Samsung Galaxy A37. In order to use those secret codes, first we need to go to the phone app, and then here if you have the keypad opened, then you should be able to enter those codes in here. So first I'm gonna use the *#0*#, and this is a test menu where you can perform a couple of different tests, where you can, for example, check the sensor, or sensors actually. You can check the touch, speakers if they play correctly, and so on and so forth. The next one is going to be *#06#, and this menu allows you to check the information about IMEI, EID, and serial number. Of course, this kind of information is also available in settings in About Phone, but this might be a quicker way for you if you feel like it. Now we're gonna move to a little bit longer code, so it's going to be *#, then 12580 *369#. In here we can open the information about the RF call, for example. There are a couple of different codes as well, but personally I'm not sure what they are for. And RF call seems to be the manufactured date. Alright, besides that we can use *#0011, and then we end it with hash. By the way, from now on, every other code is going to be quite similar. So the form, or like the beginning and the ending, is going to be exactly the same. That is the *#, and then a sequence of numbers, and then we end it with hash. So I'm just gonna mention different numbers now. So this seems to be the GSM network status information. So we should be able to choose one or the other stack, and then we can find some information about the GSM network apparently. Next code is 0808. There we go. And here we have some USB settings. So by default, of course, it is used for charging, but if you feel like there is something wrong or maybe an incorrect option is selected while you have something connected to your phone, then you can check out this menu to see if you can change something. Then we have 1234, very simple code. And here we can once again find a couple of codes, just like in the case of the RF call menu. There is also the model name, so the specific model name that is, or like tag of the model that is given by manufacturers. And in here we should also be able to enter 2663 to open the menu about the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So here we can see the information about the Wi-Fi, its version. There is also the Bluetooth version as well. And there we go. And then I'm gonna show you 9090. And this seems to be the diagnostic configuration menu. So you should be able to go through here in order to perform some very strange diagnostics, I guess. I'm not entirely sure what they can be used for, but of course this is a secret code and we can enter it over here. Another code is quite similar, 9900. And in here we have the sysdump menu, where we can also find a bunch of different stuff, bunch of different settings that might be useful to use by some individuals. And there is another longer code, 2683662. And it seems that this menu is actually empty. So it is supposed to be like service mode or something like that. Maybe something appears once we do something on our phone first, but I can't really figure it out what has to be done in order to make use of this menu. It seems to be completely empty. But still, it is a secret code, and of course it allows you to access this, well, empty menu. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.